Hi everyone. Last video we have see how the Python we can install in our desktop. Now we are going to see some introduction of Python and the future of the Python. Let's go for this today class. Python introduction. Python is a general purpose, dynamic, high level and interpreted program language. It supports object oriented programming approach to develop the application. It is simple and easy to learn and provide lot of high level data structure. Python easy to learn, Python powerful and versatile scripting language. Python, the script and dynamic types with it interpret natural, make it an ideal language for scripting and wrapping application development. Python support object oriented, imperative and functional or procedural programming styles. Python develop and debugging fast because there is no compiler in the Python to debug the cycle in is very fast. Now we are going to see some future of the Python. There is a lot of features in the Python, but now we are going to see a 10 major future of the Python. First, easy to learn and use. Python is easy to learn and use. It is a develop friendly and high level programming language. Second, expressive language. Python language is more expressive, means it is more understandable and readable. That is the things that we are mentioning here, that expressive language. And third thing is interpreted language. Python is interpreted language, that is interpret and execute the code line by line at the time. This makes debugging easy and this is suitable for beginner. Fourth is cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix. So we can say that Python is portable language. And fifth point is free and open source. Python language is freely available at official website web address. The source code is also available. Therefore, it is an open source. The sixth point and very most important point is object-oriented language. Python support object-oriented language and concept of class and object come into existence. Seventh point, extensible. It implies that other languages such as C and C++ can be used to compile the code and thus it can be used further in our Python code. 8. The large standard library. Python has large and broad library and provides rich set of models and functions for rapid application development. And 9. GUI program support. GUI user interface can be developed using Python. And last but the best is integrated. It can be easily integrated with language like C, C++, Java. So these are the main feature of the Python. And thank you for watching this video, viewers. And we will come at another section of topic in another classes. Thank you.